Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert sheet in Excel. Oh, okay. So let's start with the video. Without before you start, I'm I want to request you. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So let's go on my Excel sheet. Okay. So in order to adding a worksheet in your Excel or in also you can see that I have many sheet here. Okay. So if you want to insert the new sheet in Excel, so here is a simple trick. This is a very short video I will show you. Okay, so simply if you have updated Excel, then you can see here the plus icon. Okay, in this icon, in in place of this icon you can see the your plus icon if you are updated Excel. Okay, so simply click it. So sheet will be add here, new sheet will be add here. So in order to adding new sheet or insert the new sheet in Excel, this process is a very simple process you can follow. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.